Won't let you go, go, go. Won't let you go, 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 go. Your mama want you some prices too. Tell you the truth, she ain't lying to you. Baby, you said you ain't scared. Oh, girl, I left all you dead. I'll put your love on the credit floor. Whatever you want, I'ma get it for you. I'll be the way we get us too. Show you the city that gave me like this. Baby, like this.
What's up everyone? Today I'm gonna be installing the bridge seat that me and Patrick got from Philly. I just wanted to thank Patrick for joining me on the ride, and thank you to Zach for selling me this bridge seat. It is a Zeta 2 and I have an excessive seat bracket paired with Sparko universal sliders and a planted side seat mount. So remove the stock seat because I've been getting thrown for the past 4 drift events. Just been sliding around, and it's gonna be nice to finally able to control the car the way I want it to. Forgot to mention, I also purchased this bridge side airbag canceller, so when I take out the stock seat, it doesn't give me a airbag light on the dash. Oh! God, how do you do this? Sick. Wow! 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 Look at the red guts. How sick. Alright, moment of truth. How do I fit in it? Ooh, ooh. Oh, 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 this is nice. Okay. Not sure if I have to adjust anything. Let's go. Sick. Alright, let's double check, make sure everything is good. Sick. Okay, today is a new day. Drove it around and it's still a little too high for my liking. So I'm gonna take the seat out, bottom out the mounts, put it in. It is also a drift prep day for Spirit's Drift Camp, which is in exactly a week, Saturday and Sunday. So all I need to do is oil change, check the bolts, and put the blitz on, and that should be it. You would think this would get easier. Yeah, I think this is it. Waypast. Well guys, that's gonna be it for today's vlog. I just finished the oil change, put the blitz on, bolt check, and the seat. So all ready for the drift camp. And yeah, just gonna wrap it up, go for a drive. But recently I just hit 500 subscribers, so thank you to everyone who watches me and supports. It really means a lot, and we're on the road to 100 now, or 1,000. So bye.